You can start. Aryan.
So, 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 hello everyone. My name is Aryan. My father's name is Naveen Kumar. I am 11 years old. So today we are going to talk about all types of dimensions and the Fermi Paradox and their solutions. So, yes, Aryan, you have raised your hand.
Do you think this kind of thing exists?
What you are referring to?
I am asking, do you think this type of thing exists like Fermi paradox and dimensions?
Yes, Fermi paradox says that we have not found any aliens, and there might be. So I think so. There can be extraterrestrial life there, but we have not found them yet. But we will discuss it later in the presentation. So, Aryan, would you like to read this slide for everyone?
Yes. Introduction to dimensions and the Fermi paradox. Dimensions refer to measurable exist of a physical phenomenon. They can be classified into various types, including spatial, temporal, and more. The Fermi paradox questions why, given the vastness of the universe, we have not detected external life.
So, yes, dimensions refer to measurable extents of a physical phenomena. They can be classified into various types, including spatial, temporal, and more. The Fermi paradox questions why, given the vastness of the universe, we have not detected extraterrestrial life. So the Fermi paradox is the contradiction between the high probability of advanced extraterrestrial civilizations in the universe and the lack of evidence for their existence. So we are now starting with our presentation. So yes, someone has raised their hand.
Aryan, some person is new join here, so can you introduce a little bit all new members here? So which location he have joined and which standard is reading? So फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हिमांशु जी आप अपने बारे में थोड़ा बताएंगे कहाँ से ज्वाइन किए? Himanshu ji as well as Divya is also, and another is Hope. So can you introduce a little bit your side, sir, if you don't mind? Himanshu. Okay, not in, so you can continue, Aryan. If
Yes, sir.
yes, आप बताएंगे, आप अपने बारे में थोड़ा बताइए प्लीज.
I am Himanshu Kumar. I'm Himanshu Kumar Master. I am studying in class 8, sir, in Sankes High School. My birthplace is Dogri, but due to some education purpose, I am living in the its capital state, Patna.
अच्छा, you are living in Patna. So you are in 8th grade, na? 8th.
Uh, in, in the 8th standard, sir.
Okay,
And
good, very good.
I got this link through my maternal uncle, Mr. Pramod Pandey. I think he is your colleague.
Yes. I know. Okay. Nice to meet you. And you don't hesitate. You want to add something? Don't hesitate. You can raise your hand and please participate the same. Actually, Aryan is also 6th grade. He is much interested about the science. That's why he is here.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And other is Hope. Can you introduce, sir, if you don't mind? Okay, Aryan, you can continue.
Okay. So our next topic is about understanding dimensions. So dimensions are fundamental to the structure of reality. They can be understood as axes along which Objects can exist or events can
Events
occur.
can occur.
The
The
most
most
commonly
commonly
recognized
recognized
dimensions are the
dimensions
three
are the three
spatial and
spatial
one
and one
temporal
temporal
dimension.
dimension.
So,
So,
so these are
so
the
these are the
fundamental
fundamental
characteristics
characteristics
that
that
define the
define
structure
the
of a
structure of a
universe,
universe.
like 3D, 4D. Types of dimensions are length, area, volume, and one of time. And there are many higher dimensions also. So these
These
things
things
help
help
us to
us
move,
to move,
think,
think,
etc.
etc.
So yes,
So yes,
this
this
this was a
this was a
topic.
topic.
So
So
visualizing higher dimensions. So objects and projections. Imagine a 3D object casting a 2D shadow on the
shadow on
ground.
the ground.
So yes,
So yes, these
are
are
this is the
this is the
topic
topic
that we are
that
going
we
to
are going to
discuss.
discuss.
So I think so. Some new people have also joined. Thank you for joining, Salim, Sophie. I think so. You have joined from the UAE. Yes, thank you. So yes, does
Does
ladies and
ladies
gentlemen
and
any
gentlemen
questions
any
for me?
questions for me?
Okay, I don't think so. Aryan, do you have any questions?
No.
Okay. So yes,
So yes,
spatial dimensions. So the
so the
spatial
spatial
dimensions are the
dimensions are
height,
the height,
width, and depth of objects.
objects.
They allow us to describe the position and volume of physical entities in space. Higher spatial dimensions, such as 3D, 4D, and 5D, are considered extraterrestrial dimensions. These dimensions are beyond our understanding. And some
And some
curled up
curled up
dimensions
dimensions
these are used
these are
in
used in
gravitational physics
physics
and some theoretical concepts. And
and
warped
warped
dimensions,
dimensions,
gravitational
gravitational
warping,
warping,
and the
and
general
the general
relativity.
relativity.
So
So
these these special dimensions offer a
dimensions offer
glimpse
a
into the
glimpse into the
complex and
complex and
fascinating nature
fascinating
of the
nature of the
universe
universe.
and continue to inspire researchers and exploration in maths and physics. So these are the spatial dimensions. So yes, moving to our
Moving to
topic,
our topic,
temporal
temporal
dimensions. So
dimensions. So
Aryan, would you like
Aryan,
to
would you
read
like to
this
read
for
this for
everyone?
everyone?
Aryan, would you like to read this for everyone?
Oh yes, actually I mute myself and I not see. Temporal dimension. Time is often considered the fourth dimension in the context of physics. It provides a framework for understanding changes and the sequence of Sequence of events.
The
The event. The perception of
perception
time
of time
can vary
can
based
vary
on
based on
relativistic
relativistic
effect
effect
as
as
described by
described by
Einstein.
Einstein. Okay,
Okay,
so the
so the
temporal
temporal
dimensions,
dimensions,
time is
time is
often
often
considered the
considered the
fourth
fourth
dimension in
dimension in
context
context
of
of
physics. It
physics. It
provides
provides
a
a
framework for
framework for
understanding
understanding
changes and the
changes and the
sequences of
sequences
the
of the
events.
events.
So the
So the
perception of time
perception
can
of time
be
can be
varied
very
based on
based on
relativistic
relativistic
effects as described by Einstein.
style.
So
So
the
the
temporal
temporal
dimensions,
dimensions,
also known as
also
the
known
time
as the time
dimension,
dimension,
it is a
it is
fourth
a fourth
dimension that
dimension that
combines
combines
with the three
with the
spatial
three special
dimensions to
dimensions to
form
form
our
our
experience and
experience and
space-time.
space-time.
Some key
Some key
aspects of
aspects
the
of the
temporal
temporal
dimensions are
dimensions are
the arrow
the
of
arrow
time,
of time,
time
time
dilation,
dilation,
time symmetry, etc. So, some theories involving it are quantum
are quantum
mechanics,
mechanics,
string
string
theory,
theory,
Some paradoxes and challenges are the twin paradox, the paradox of time, and the grandfather paradox. So I think so. We have already explained it these in our previous presentations. So some philosophical implications are a determinism versus free will. So these are the questions and implications of the temporal dimensions. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, do you have any questions for me? Okay, Aryan, what's the question?
In the slide you have written time is fourth dimension. Then how many dimensions are and what are they called?
So I think so. So there are the four dimensions of space time, three dimensions of space, and one dimension of time. So I think so. There are many theories that need more dimensions, like 11 or 10. Some theories I will tell theoretical models with some additional dimensions, like the string theory, 10 dimensions, 4D spacetime plus 6 compactified dimensions. The M theory, which has 11 dimensions. So yes, these are some theories with additional dimensions, and we already have the four dimensions of space-time, three dimensions of space, and one dimension of time. So yes, are you satisfied with the answer?
Okay.
So yes, moving to a topic. So Aryan, would you like to read this one?
Yes. Higher dimensions in physics. Theories such as string theory propose additional experimental dimensions beyond the four. These dimensions are often compactified, meaning they are not directly observable. Higher dimensions many provide explanation for fundamental forces and particles.
Okay. Sorry, I was mute. So our, our topic is higher dimension in physics. So theories such as the string theory propose additional spatial dimensions beyond the fourth. So these dimensions are often compactified, meaning they are not directly observable. So the higher dimensions may provide explanation for fundamental forces and particles. So there are many theories that require more dimensions. So theories involving higher dimensions, the string theory, M theory, and Kaluza claim theory. So these are the theories which have higher dimensions, and some types of higher dimensions are compactified dimensions. So that these are just curled up and are very small, and our atoms are just too big to enter them. Extended dimensions, so that are extended dimensions that are not compactified and can be directly observed. Some curled up dimensions, so that they are curled up or bent but not necessarily compactified. So these are some higher dimensions in physics. Some implications of them are the unification of forces, some new sources of energy, alternative theories of gravity. So yes, so I think so. Some challenges are lack of evidence. Currently, there is no direct evidence to support the existence of higher dimensions, but many theory use them. So yes, and mathematical complexity. So these theories involve higher dimensions, often require advanced mathematical tools and can be challenging to understand and test. So these are the higher dimensions in physics. So ladies and
Ladies and
gentlemen, any
gentlemen,
questions
any
for me?
questions for me?
Aryan, what's the
Aryan,
question?
what's the question? ISRO, how much information collected from Chandrayaan 3?
Can you repeat?
ISRO, how many information collected of the moon from Chandrayaan 3?
I think so. You are asking about how much data the Chandrayaan 3 collected. So I think so it has collected a vast amount of information. So I think so lander payload. So the Chandrayaan 3 lander is equipped with several payloads including radios, Chandra surface thermo, etc. So I think so it has a soft landing, but I can't remember about all the
About
data
all the
that it
data that it
collected.
collected.
So
So
I think so I
I
will
think so
answer
I
this
will answer
question
this question
later.
later.
So yes.
Okay.
So Aryan, can you read the
Can you
slide for
read the slide
everyone?
for everyone?
The multiverse
Yes.
concept.
The multiverse concept. The multiverse purpose the existence of multiple, perhaps infinite universe. Each universe have many different physical laws or dimensions. This concept raises question about the nature of relativity and our place within it.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So
the
the
multiverse
multiverse
concept.
concept,
The multiverse proposes the existence of multiple, perhaps infinite universes. Each universe may have different physical laws or dimensions. This
this
concept
concept
raises
raises
questions with the
questions with
nature
the
of
nature of
reality
reality
and our
and
place
our
within
place
it.
within it.
So, the multiverse concept. So,
So
it it
it
proposes that
proposes
it
that it
can have
can
many
have many
universes,
universes,
etc.
etc.
So, some types of multiverses can be like many world interpretation. So,
ये क्या टाइप का करना?
yes,
Yes.
I was mute. Sorry. So, some types of multiverses are
Are
the string
the
theory
string theory
multiverse.
multiverse,
The
the
universe we
universe we
experience is one
experience
of
is
the
one of
many
the many
universes
universes
that
that
exist
exist.
within a higher dimensional space called the string theory landscape. Simulated
Simulated
multiverse
multiverse
are
or
universe-based
universe is
a
a
simulation
simulation
created by
created
a
by
more
a more
advanced
advanced
civilization.
civilization.
So yes, in so these are the types of
So
multiverses.
multiverses,
The
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 concept of
concept of
possibilities,
possibilities,
infinite
infinite
possibilities. So
possibilities,
the multiverse concept
and
suggests that
suggests
every
that every
possibility
possibility
exists in
exists in
separate
separate
universes leading
universes
to a
leading to a
infinite number of parallel universes. Quantum fluctuations. So quantum
So quantum
mechanics
mechanics
introduces
introduces
a
a
randomness and
randomness and
uncertainty,
uncertainty
allowing
allowing
for the creation of new universe through quantum fluctuations. So
so
yes,
yes,
these are
these
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 are the concept of possibilities. So some implications are like new
like new
perspectives on
perspectives on
reality. The
reality. The
multiverse
multiverse
concept
concept
challenges our
challenges our
understanding of reality and encourages us to think about the nature of existence.
existence.
So it
So it
can also
can
have
also
many
have many
possibilities for
possibilities for
life
life
also.
also.
So ladies
So
and
ladies and
gentlemen, do you have
gentlemen,
any
do you have
questions
any
for me?
questions for me?
So Aryan, do
So
you have
Aryan,
any
do you have any
questions?
questions?
Okay, moving to our next topic. So, Aryan, would you like to read this for everyone? The Fermi Paradox.
Paradox.
Aryan, would you like to read this for everyone? Okay, I don't think so. He's here. So, the Fermi Paradox. Okay, I think so. There are some noises here. The Fermi Paradox. So, yes, I think so. Some new people have also joined. So, KKS has joined. I hope you will enjoy
Will
the
enjoy the
presentation. If you have
presentation.
any
If you have
questions,
any
you can
questions,
raise
you
your
can
hand
raise
and
your hand
ask
and
us.
ask us.
Okay, I think
Okay,
so.
I think
There are
so.
some
There are
noises
some
here
noises here.
by Aryan
By
side.
Aryan side.
Okay, so we are going to move to a topic, the Fermi Paradox. So the Fermi paradox arises from the contradiction between high estimates of extraterrestrial civilizations and the lack of contact with them. It poses questions about the existence and visibility of intelligent life in the universe. The
The
paradox has
paradox has
promoted
promoted
numerous
numerous
theories and
theories and
hypotheses to
hypotheses to
explain
explain
this
this
phenomena.
phenomena.
So it
So it
suggests
suggests
where
where
are
are
all the
all the
aliens
aliens
and
and
was I think so posed by
a
a Russian
Russian
scientist
scientist
in the
in the
1960s.
1960s.
So
So
I think so. It
I think
is
so.
his name was Enric
Enric
Fermi,
Fermi,
and he
and he
asked,
asked,
"Where is
where is
everybody?" Or
everybody? Or
more
more
specifically,
specifically,
why
why
haven't we
haven't we
encountered any
encountered any
signs of
signs of
intelligent
intelligent
extraterrestrial life?
extraterrestrial life?
So, the
So the
paradox.
paradox.
Given the vast
Given the
numbers of
vast number of
stars
stars
and
and
planets in the
planets in the
universe, it's
universe,
likely
it's
that
likely
some of
that some
them
of them
may have conditions suitable for life. Even if intelligent life is rare, we should have seen some sign of it by now.
now.
Some
Some
possible
possible
explanations are the
explanations
great
are the
filter,
great filter,
the rare
the
earth
rare earth
hypothesis,
hypothesis,
the
the
simulation
simulation
hypothesis,
hypothesis,
the
the
solitude
solitude
hypothesis,
hypothesis,
and the
and
zoo
the zero
hypothesis.
hypothesis.
So,
So
yes,
yes,
some
some
implications
implications
and
and
speculations are
speculations are
the search for
the search for
extraterrestrial life.
extraterrestrial life.
So, the Fermi paradox has motivated scientists to search for signs of intelligent life, such as radio signals or evidence of technology. The Drake
The Drake
equation.
equation.
This
This
equation
equation
estimates the
estimates the
number
number
of
of
extraterrestrial
extraterrestrial
civilizations in the
in the
galaxy that
galaxy
might
that
be
might
able
be
to
able to
communicate with
communicate
us.
with us.
And the
And
last
the
one
last
is the
one is the
Kardashev scale.
Kardashev scale.
This
This
scale measures
scale
a
measures a
civilization
civilization
level of
level of
technology
technology
based on its
based on it
energy consumptions. So according to the Kardashev scale,
in the
we are not
we are
even
not
the
even the
one type
one type
civilization. We
civilization.
are
We are
near
near
0.74
0.74
on the Kardashev scale, and this goes about for 4 to 5. The
the
great
great
filter
filter
hypothesis.
hypothesis.
So, Aryan, what's the question? Aryan, you have raised your hand.
Yes, can you Can you explain that explain that
Okay.
period period slightly slightly because because my
Okay.
system is disturbing?
Okay. So
So
yes,
yes,
the Fermi
the Fermi
paradox
Paradox
is says that
says
where
that
are
where
all
are
the
all the
aliens,
aliens
and it can have many solutions to it, and we are on that topic only. It says that where are all the aliens, and if there are, why we have not met any signs of them.
of them.
So did you
So
get it
did
now?
you get it now? Okay.
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 So
So
yes,
yes,
the great filter hypothesis So it, what you can call it, is a solution, it can be a solution to it. The great filter hypothesis suggests that there is a stage in the evolution of life that is extremely hard to surpass. It could occur at various points, such as the formation of life or the development of advanced civilizations. If the great filter is ahead of, it may suggest a bleak future for humanity. So, the great filter hypothesis proposes that there is a significant barrier or filter that prevents civilizations from becoming interstellar, and that we might not have yet passed this filter. So, yes, the three possible locations of the great filter. Before the emergence of life, the filter might be located at very beginnings, making it extremely difficult for life to emerge in the first place. Between the emergence of life and the development of intelligent species, the filter might be located here, making it a challenge for life to evolve into complex, intelligent forms. After development of intelligent life, this filter might be located here, making it difficult for intelligent civilization to expand and become interstellar. So it is beautifully explained in the picture given. So, some possible causes of the great filter are astronomical events, supervolcanic eruptions, asteroid impacts, or nearby supernovas. Self-destruction, it might make an robot which can kill the species, or a big war. And some biological limits, there might be biological limits that prevents civilizations from becoming interstellar, such as the inability to survive in space or to adapt in new environments. So yes, these this is the great filter hypothesis. So, ladies and gentlemen, do you have any questions for me? Yes, Aryan, what's the question?
Uh, when dinosaur, what is evolution of dinosaur? If that meteor was not destroyed, or then what is evolution of dinosaur?
So I will tell you that every great species can come down to its lowest. So it was not the dinosaur that asteroid that killed it. It was something else also. Cause if it strikes us today only, we can what you can call stay alive for moments. So if it had not striken it, so then after millions of years, some catastrophe will be there, and they will be wiped out. Cause every species has to go down one. So yes. So what if you are asking that what if dinosaurs hadn't gone extinct? Maybe it had increased the diversity, evolution of new traits, competition with mammals, and the evolution of flight. Some dinosaurs, like birds, might have continued to evolve and find their flight capabilities. So, are you satisfied with the answer?
Yes.
Okay, so I think so. You can also call it a great filter for the dinosaurs, cause after that they went a little bit extinct and transformed into our modern chickens. So yes, moving to our next topic, self-destruction of civilizations. So advanced civilizations may lead to their own extinction through warfare or Environmental collapse. This could explain the absence of detectable intelligent life in the universe. The potential for self destruction raises ethical questions about the technological advancements. So, types of self destructions can be environmental degradation, climate change, pollution, deforestation, etc., like resource depletion, nuclear war. The threat of nuclear wars and their devastating effects, some pandemic like the COVID that happened, but it was not too much, and the economic collapse. Global economic systems can be vulnerable to collapse, leading to a widespread poverty and social unrest. Some historical examples are the Easter Island, the Mayan civilization, and the ancient Mesopotamia. So, yes, these are some self destructions of civilizations. Some factors contributing to self destruction can be the lack of cooperation and global governance, inequality and social unrest, and some short term thinking. So, yes, they, this can be the self destruction of advanced civilizations. So, yes, ladies and gentlemen, any question for me? I have a question.
Yes, what if we blast a nuclear bomb on the sun?
Okay. Yeah, thanks for your talking. What if we drop a nuclear bomb on the sun?
Yes.
Okay, what would happen if a nuclear bomb dropped on the sun? I think so, not much, but mm, so maybe if a nuclear bomb were to be dropped, several things would happen. Maybe like it can just evaporate, like when it would be going to blast, it can just instant vaporized by the sun. Maybe like uh, some impact on the energies released by the sun, maybe energy absorption that could happen. But if it is dropped, there would be no effect on us. So, is the answer certain? Are you satisfied with the answer?
Okay.
Okay. So yes. Any more questions for me?
No.
The zoo hypothesis. So, Aryan, would you like to read this for everyone?
Yes. Zoo hypothesis. The zoo hypothesis posits that external civilizations are aware of us but choose not to make contact. They may observe humanity as part of a cosmic zoo or experiment. This theory suggests that we are beginning internally isolated to allow for natural development.
Okay. So, the zoo hypothesis posits that extraterrestrial civilizations are aware of us, but not to choose to make contact. These may observe humanity as a part of a cosmic zoo or experiment. This theory suggests that we are being intentionally isolated to allow for our natural development. So it states that aliens already found us, but they are being quiet. I will tell you a story about that. Once upon a time, what happened? That NASA had an spacecraft which worked for many years, and what happened that it had no fuel, and they decided to land it on a Jupiter surface and not on the Europa's moon cause it can may affect their development, etc. So this can be a great example of that. So it proposes that advanced civilizations might avoid contact with Earth, treating humanity like a zoo or a natural reserve. So, yes, this is the implication of the zoo hypothesis. So, yes, moving to the next topic, technological limitations. So, our current technology may not be advanced enough to detect extraterrestrial signals. The vast distance between stars, galaxies, impede communication. The future advancements in technology may eventually help us to find or communicate with other civilizations. Let's explore the constraints and that might impact our ability to detect or communicate with extraterrestrial life. Some radio frequency interference, sensitivity and resolutions, distance and time, and many next generation radio telescopes are also upcoming. So these can be the reasons of that we have not detected in life. Temporal acceleration. It is possible that advanced civilizations rise and fall in time frame that do not overlap. The universe may be filled with life, but civilization may not exist simultaneously. Thus, this temporal isolation could explain why we have not yet made any contact. So it says that there can be a civilization that was advanced, but after that it got destroyed, and after some million years, another civilization began, and it became advanced and then fall. But they did not overlap, so they did not know that there was a civilization maybe stronger than them, which got annihilated by some great filter, etc. The rare Earth hypothesis. This hypothesis suggests that the conditions necessary for life are exceedingly rare. Factors such as planetary stability, distance from stars, and the presence of water are crucial for life. If Earth is rare, it would explain why we have not yet discovered other life forms. So, yes, this suggests that life is on Earth is very rare. So, Aryan, would you like to read this for everyone? Hello, Aryan?
Yes. Parmenia theory. Parmenia posited that life exists throughout the universe and it is distributed by meteors or comets. If true, life on Earth could have originated from external sources. This theory raises questions about the interdependence of life in the atmosphere.
So, Aryan,
Yes, sir.
maybe Aryan have some issues. Maybe he will join soon.
Okay, hello? I think so some network issues were there. So, yes, we were on this topic, panspermia theory. It posits that life exists throughout the universe and is distributed by comets and asteroids. That if true life on Earth could have originated from external sources, this theory raises questions about the interconnections of life in the cosmos. So yes, this is the panspermia theory. The simulation hypothesis. The simulation hypothesis suggests that our reality may be computer generated simulation. If true, the creators of the simulation may have limited our understandings of the universe. This theory could explain the Fermi paradox, suggesting constraints on our perception of reality. So yes, this states that we are just living in a computer made by a very advanced technological civilization. Cosmic censorship. So it refers to the idea that certain cosmic phenomena are hidden from the view. This could mean the advanced civilization are either hidden behind barriers or have transcended physical existence. The implications of cosmic censorship challenges our understanding of the universe. It says that the civilizations are either hidden or have transcended physical existence, or in short terms, God. Dark forest theory it suggests that civilization remains silent to avoid detection by potentially hostile entities. In this metaphorical dark forest, every civilization is both a hunter and a prey. This theory implies that silence is a survival strategy in a dangerous cosmos. Imagine you are a hunter in a dark forest and you meet another person who has a gun and you also and you do not know what his intentions are. It may be peaceful or he wants to kill you. So you will remain silent for that time and what can call uh, and after that you can take the actions but this thing can be real also and interstellar communication challenges. So over interstellar distance goes significant challenges. Signals weaken over vast distances, making detection difficult. Advanced civilization may use methods we have not yet to comprehend, limiting our ability to connect. Someone has raised their hand.
So I think some person is new join here. So can brief a little bit your introduction, your side, like the Pandey is also joined, and other person in your side.
I think so. Some new people have joined. Hello, Anushka Pandey. Mhm. If you have any doubts, you can raise your hand and ask us.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And one, and yes, moving to our next topic, ongoing research.
First of all, a little bit brief, na? Brief about your introduction, your presentation.
Anushka
Some person
Pandey,
is joining.
Anushka Pandey, can you introduce yourself? Anushka Pandey, can you introduce yourself?
Hello, my name
Yes.
is Anushka Pandey. I live in Pandepati, Bakshar.
Okay.
This is Amlesh Pandey. I read in class 6.
Okay. I am also in class six. So, so do you have any interest in science?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. सर मेरा साइंस में मार्क्स ही उठता है.
Okay. So, okay. Do you know about what we are discussing about?
No, sir. Now only I have joined this class. I am.
Okay, so we are talking about the Fermi Paradox. It says, where are all the aliens? And we are searching an answer for that and the types of dimensions. So yes, this
Please
this is
explain first.
uh, what you are saying.
Please explain first line of ongoing search for extraterrestrial life.
So efforts like SCT search for extraterrestrial intelligence, actively search for signals from other civilizations, and the exploration of Mars. हिंदी में ओके आई विल एक्सप्लेन हिंदी ऑल्सो कि बहुत सारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस है जो दूसरे सिविलाइजेशन से सिग्नल लेना चाह रही है और यह भी ट्राई करिए कि समझना कि वो है सिग्नल्स में लिखा क्या गया है और ये कहाँ से आया है अनुष्का अनुष पांडे आपको समझ आ गया
Yes, sir.
ओके सो यस आई थिंक सो समवन न्यू हैज जॉइंड Khali, uh, I think so. Khalil Pasha has joined. Can you introduce yourself a little bit? Khalil Pasha, can you introduce yourself a little bit?
My name is Samiha Shirazi. My father's name is Khalil Ahmad Pasha.
Do you have an interest for science?
Yes,
So, what's your real name?
Samiha Shirazi.
Samina. Okay.
Samiha.
Samina, okay. So, do you know what we are discussing about?
About the space.
Okay, we are discussing about the Fermi Paradox and types of dimensions. So the Fermi Paradox is a question why we have not found any aliens, and we are trying to give an answer for that and solution. And we were discussing about all types of dimensions and how these things are measured.
Okay.
Yes. So which location have you joined from?
Bangalore.
Okay. So, uh, so Anuj Pandey, Anuj Pandey.
Yes, sir.
So can you read this for आप ये slide read कर सकते हैं?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Ongoing search of external life. Efforts like SET search for extraterrestrial intelligence actively search for signals from other civilization. The exploration of Mars and other celestial bodies aims to find evidence of past or present life. These initiatives reflect humanity's enduring curiosity and quest for understanding our cosmic context.
Okay. So, so Khalil Pasha, can you read this for everyone? Khalil, can you read this for everyone? Khalil?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. You can read this for everyone.
Ongoing Ongoing search for extraterrestrial life. Efforts like SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, actively search for signals from other civilizations. The exploration of Mars and other celestial bodies aims to find evidence of past or present life. These initiatives reflect humanity's enduring curiosity and quest for understanding our cosmic context.
Okay. So yes, ongoing search for extraterrestrial life. Efforts like SET, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, actively search for signals from other civilizations. The exploration of Mars and other civilizations, celestial bodies aim to find evidence of past or present life. the mysteries of life beyond the Earth.
Hello.
So, yes, thank you for joining everyone. This is the end of our presentation, and if you have any further questions, you can ask us. So, yes, uh, does somebody have any questions? Khalil, Anuj, do you have any questions?
No.
Okay. So, Aryan, do you have any questions?
No. But what season you conduct on next Sunday?
What thing? I'm still thinking about that. You will get to know the next Sunday only. So yes, and ladies and gentlemen, any questions for me?
Aryan, first of all, on your video, then you can talk with the everyone, and you can also ask some general question. And sir is also join.
Which
TL sir
class
is
are
also
you?
here. Yes, everyone asked to. You can talk with the Aryan.
Yes.
He is standard six. He will try
Why
always the best for you.
why Mahajanapadas is more important?
Can you repeat?
Why is Mahajanapadas is more important?
Okay, so Mahajanpada is what can call a very large kingdom. So there were many Mahajanapads in ancient India, like Magadha, etc. So these are some Mahajanapadas, and these were, I think, so very large kingdoms like Magad and Patliputra, etc.
Why Magadha is important?
Magadha.
Yes.
Okay, so I will say that Magadha, which was ruled by two very great kingdoms like the Gupta Empire and the Mauryan Empire. So it was a very rich, wealthy Mahajanapad, which was, I think, so very large and the most dominant of the Mahajanapads. So yes, any other, more questions? Any more questions for me? And which Pandey, do you have any questions?
You can ask the Anuj Pandey question, Aryan. Right now, he's just studying sixth grade also. He has good knowledge about the science also. So you can also talk with the Pandey and Pasa as well as Aryan is also.
No, I don't think so. Aryan has left.
Okay, and Himanshu is also joined. Himanshu has a good knowledge also. He is studying eighth grade.
Okay.
And
Yes.
once again, I'm just saying that Aryan got the International General Science Olympiad
What
in
is
gold medalist.
what is deficiency of carbohydrate?
Uh, can you repeat?
Deficiency of carbohydrate.
I'm not getting your question right now.
अनुज पांडे आप हिंदी में भी कर सकते, डोंट वरी.
नहीं नहीं मतलब ये पूछ रहा हूँ कि डिफिशियंसी ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट लैक
He's asking about the lack of carbohydrate, which nutrients in the place of carbohydrate, मतलब कौन सी कमी होती है carbohydrate body में नहीं होता. Anuj is asking that.
Okay. What happens if carbohydrate is lacking in the body? So I
Yeah,
think.
yes, yes.
So would you like to answer that, Himanshu? I think so. Weight loss, bad breath, headaches, etc. This can happen.
And the main important Aryan, I think in the class 8 you will come. So the hair fall is the also also a reason for in the lack of carbohydrate, the hair fall is also reason why the hair fall happens
Okay.
due to the starch, due to the mostly potato, in potato mostly.
Okay. So, so did you get it, Anuj Pandey?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, Himanshu, I have a question for you. What when
Yeah.
when light comes from a star, it weakens, but do any gaps form between the photons?
I think no. Light travels through a medium. I have studied about light. Light through through a medium. Light is a transverse wave, so it through from the sun. But in a class it said that light does not need any medium. It comes in a form of radiation. But light is a transverse wave, so it needs a medium like air, so that it comes to us.
Yes, you are right. There will be no gaps formed, but the intensity of the light will be decreased.
Yes.
Yes. So, so do you have any other questions?
No,
What
no.
is light year?
What is
Light
light?
year.